Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, iGulu just sent this to me and I know what you're thinking, beer to go. But I've been drinking a lot of kombucha, Jun, basically the champagne of kombucha. And I've been filling up bottles, like 12, 16 ounce bottles. I got a liter here. I can fill up 2 of these, take them to work with me. Makes it super convenient, and I can fill them right off the keg. I don't have to pour them into the bottle and lose a little bit of the carbonation. So very, very cool. And let me show you. Yeah, that easy. Okay, so I know you got questions. First, on these, you're like, wait, we're gonna need some accessories. Yeah, they included them. And they included another cap, because when you're done, you don't want your beer or kombucha or whatever you got, beverage-wise, carbonated water, whatever it may be, squirting out of here. So they give you another cap to replace this cap when you're traveling. Extra long hose. If you didn't know this, and I'll explain how you fill this. This goes into the air part. That's right, into the air part coming out of the iGulu, not out of the keg. And that will give you CO2. Keep it crimped, put it on here, make sure you wash this really good. The straw, I'm not gonna say the straw is necessary, but it will help reduce foaming considerably. What you're gonna do, get some CO2 going, wait until it sounds kind of full, let some of it out. Give it a second, let it fill back up a little bit, let it out again. That should have purged enough. Disconnect this, put your finger over it, because CO2 is gonna be coming out of it, and hey, now you don't have any oxygen in the line. Snap this into your keg, put your CO2 back. I usually leave a little bit of CO2 in here. Reason being is it's called equalizing. Your liquid will flow through here, down here, which of course you're gonna have this crimped and you're gonna take it off the crimp when you go to flow. As it's flowing, it's gonna slow down. It may even stop because CO2 is equalized. To resume flow, you just let off a little CO2. It'll keep flowing until it's, either around here or here, wherever you want it. You want it close to the top, but not too close. Then take it off. Let the CO2 out slowly, and I do mean slowly. If you have to, if you still have liquid in this line, you can put it back on the air and it'll force that liquid out of this line. But just let it go, and you can even do it this way, just nice and slow until it equalizes. Once you're good, take it all the way off, put your lid on, put it in the fridge or take it with you if you're leaving right then and there. Wash, rinse, and repeat with the second bottle, and then of course, wash, rinse, and repeat, quite literally. Don't forget to wash these things. I know you got a couple questions. One of the big questions is, can I use a SodaStream bottle? The lid doesn't fit on the SodaStream bottle. I tried, it's very close, very, very close. And can I swap it the other direction? No. Also, very, very close, but it doesn't fit. So no, you need these. In the little kit that they sent me, it came as a pair with all the accessories you would need. And what's cool with this accessory here, guess what? Let's say you got a lot of trub or you're doing some dry hopping, you can transfer your beer from one keg to another. That's why I always tell you have a spare keg. iGulu kegs, inexpensive, easy spare, fill multiples, rinse the other one out, brew another batch of whatever it may be you're brewing. Right now, I've got like 5 or 6 different flavors of kombucha, not enough iGulus. I keep rotating the kegs until they're fully carbonated, and then I got plenty to drink at work that's not alcoholic. And then of course, if I want to take beer somewhere or Drew wants to take one, I'm set. Yeah, check it out. Cheers, appreciate you. And if you don't have an iGulu, yes, I will leave a link below. Of course, it throws me a little chump change. It also gives you a nice discount. Cheers, appreciate you.